Gregory Patterson, celebrity hairstylist and hair and color expert with Sally Beauty.
And I'm Julie Russell, DIY nail expert.
So for all things hair and nails this holiday season, Sally Beauty is going to be your one-stop shop. One of the trends that we're seeing is healthy, rich, expensive looking hair. The way to achieve that is with Bondbar. Exclusive to Sally Beauty, this is a 4-step hair repair system. You will get incredibly strong hair, hydrated hair that's easy to detangle, especially while it's wet, after the first use. So must have, definitely check out Bondbar. And if you're looking for a new hue or to play in the holiday season hair color trends of beautiful coppers, plums, and beautiful rich mahogany colors, you must go to Sally Beauty to check out one of over 1,200 shades to choose from. 950 of those are total and complete gray coverage, so you're guaranteed to look picture-worthy this holiday season. And we know styling can often be a challenge, which is why we have some incredible tools to give you those salon pro quality results. So we are going to help you with our Ion Luxe Supercharged Hair Dryer. Because of the Ion technology, it's going to maintain that integrity of your hair and reduce your dry time, helping you save time this holiday. Now, the must-have gift this season, if you ask me, for not only yourself, but to be the perfect gift giver, you will want to check out the Ion Luxe 4-in-1 Auto Wrap Hair Styler. This is not only a blow dryer, but will auto wrap your hair around the rod, helping to create the smoothest, bounciest, most radiant curls and waves this season. So make sure you take care of yourself first, look glam and delicious, and also mark off your holiday list.
Yes, and not only does Sally Beauty have everything you need for hair, we also have everything you need for your nails. Whether you're treating yourself this holiday season or gifting the beauty lovers on your list, we have some amazing exclusive products with Beauty Secrets Dip Powder and Naturalism by Finger Paints. Both great options for the beauty lover on your list. And speaking of the season, we have some amazing trends. The bejeweled 3D decor. We're also seeing metallic frosty shades. We're seeing a lot of color gradients. And of course, the French tip is still going strong. We're seeing a different variant of it though, the chevron French tip, which is a little edgier, but still fun and perfect for the holiday season. And at Sally Beauty, we have dozens upon dozens of shades of dip powder, gel polish, nail treatments, tools, everything you need to get a salon quality manicure at home. The Beauty Secrets Dip Powder also makes a great gift this season because it is easy to use. We have 20 shades for you to pick from. You do not need a UV light, and you can get up to a 6-week manicure out of it. That's amazing. I also am loving the Naturalism by Finger Paints gel line. It is eco-friendly and plant-based, so it's a polish you will not only love, but you can feel good about using as well. And if you're in a pinch this season, I recommend some press-ons. Sally Beauty has an amazing assortment online and in store. You just pick up a pack and pop them on, and you're good to go to all the holiday parties this season.
I love all of those hair and nail trends, and if you are inspired, come on into Sally Beauty. If you have questions along your DIY hair and nail journey, we've got answers for you there. And of course, you are more than welcome to shop 24/7 at sallybeauty.com. And my favorite way is the Sally Beauty app, where you can have anything you want delivered to your door.
And if you're looking to sharpen your DIY nail game, be sure to head on over to our YouTube channel, where we have an amazing educational resource called DIY University by Sally Beauty. We'll see you there.